Hi everyone, and welcome back to Look and Listen English Lessons. Today we are going to discuss the words ache, pain, sore and hurt. All describe unpleasant feelings in our bodies. They can be easily confused, no doubt. Now in this video you will learn how to use them properly the next time you visit the doctor's clinic. Ache is a constant feeling of discomfort. It is commonly part of a compound word like headache or toothache. It's not often severe, so don't worry. Now, pain is a feeling of discomfort resulting from an illness or injury. It can be severe but not constant. It may be limited to when you move in a certain way. Let's move on to ache. An ache, a noun, is a constant feeling of pain and it can last for some time. It is not very severe, but I'll give you an example. I have an ache in my lower back. I have an ache in my lower back. A regular massage is great for taking away my body aches. A regular massage is great for taking away my body aches. Ache can also be used to show a sad emotional condition. I'll give you an example. After the breakup, she felt an ache in her heart. Oh. Next, we have pain. Pain, it's a noun, is the feeling that you have in your body when you have been hurt or when you are ill. I feel a sharp pain in my knees when I bend down. Tanya took some medicine to relieve the pain. Muscles, aches and pains can be helped by taking a warm bath. Next we have sore. Sore, a part of your body, is painful, so it is sore now. To use the noun form and the adjective form of sore correctly, we need to look at the grammar. A noun will follow an article, a, an or the, or a possessive noun or a pronoun like John, hers, my, etc. The sore on my arm is getting bigger. The sore on my arm is getting bigger. I hope my cold sore will go away before Christmas. I hope my cold sore will go away before Christmas. Adjectives will always follow the form of the verb to be. Adjective will always follow the form of the verb to be. I'll give you an example. My back is sore today. My throat is sore today. Next, we have hurt. It's used in three ways. Have a look. Number one, a noun, a feeling of unhappiness because somebody has been unkind or unfair to you. You could feel the hurt and anger in her voice. I apologize to my co-workers for any hurt I had caused. The second will be an adjective, injured, physically, like luckily no one was badly hurt in an accident. Here's another one. Be careful playing rugby with your friends. You don't want to get hurt. The third one is a verb, to cause physical pain to somebody or yourself, to injure somebody or yourself. And that's it. To Fairy Clinic, good morning.
Yes, good morning, nurse.
Oh, hello. Good morning, Mrs. Hurt. How can I help you?
I want to see the dentist, please.
Have you an appointment?
No, I haven't.
I see. Is it urgent?
Yes, it is. It is very urgent. I feel awful. I have a terrible toothache. Please help me.
Okay, let me check. Can you come at 10 a.m. on Monday, April 24th?
Well, it's too late. Can't he see me now?
Oh, no. I'm afraid he is very, very busy today.
I can't on Monday. My back is sore badly, so I have an appointment with my orthopedic doctor.
I see. Now, what about this afternoon? It is the best I can do for you.
This afternoon? Well, thank you so much, nurse. But I'm afraid this afternoon I have to see my GP. You see, my throat is sore and I have a terrible headache and a strong pain in my chest.
Oh, I see. Oh dear. Sounds really, really bad. I'm afraid your toothache will have to wait, dear, till you take a COVID test. I hope you feel well soon. Good day, Mrs. Hurt.
Oh dear, you're probably right. Goodbye.
Ouch! That hurt. Okay, that's for today. If you enjoyed my video, click on the like button and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Take good care, everyone, and I see you next time. Bye bye.